I just got a cool birthday gift right here. It's a box full of fruits, of course, and some wine. So let's go through it and see what's all in here. All right, so let's take a look at what I got. So I got some yellow dragon fruits. Very good. Red dragon fruits. And these are huge. Look at that. Red dragon fruit. Yellow mangoes. Very good. This huge avocado. It kind of reminds me of the avocados that I ate when I was in Puerto Rico. Had some stuffed avocados. This was really good. So this is awesome. Pomegranate. So I like those. Passion fruit. Coconut. This is so nice. Then what else do we have here? Papaya. Persimmons. Golden berries. Golden berries. Rambutans. I like these little, I call them hairy fruits, but because they look like they got hair on them, but they're so good. Really delicious. How cool is this? Oh, and of course, you can't forget the wine, one of my favorite flavors. So good. This is so awesome.